guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited to show you this recipe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a quick appetizer that is delicious and healthy. Let me show you what I have. It is the Shishito Peppers. The Shishito Peppers, I tried this a long time ago in a restaurant and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to do this at home. But I never saw these peppers or chilies at the market. And this year are everywhere. Last time I got it at the farmer's market. This time I got this from Trader Joe's. I also have seen them in Safeway and in Whole Foods. So they are delicious and pretty easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do them. Let me give them a quick rinse and let's go to the next steps. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Okay, so let me put this really quick here, have it ready here. I'm gonna try to do this video in Spanish and in English. So voy a hacer un appetizer. No me acuerdo cómo se dice appetizer. Pero es un appetizer que es fácil de hacer y es con los chiles que se llaman Shishito. Y lo que vamos a hacer, los vamos a lavar. Let's go ahead and give it a quick rinse. Okay, so I already washed my Shishito peppers, and the ingredients are gonna be soy sauce, olive oil, a little bit of garlic, powdered garlic, and it's just gonna be a little bit, and a lemon, and maybe just half of the lemon. Let's see. Y estos son los ingredientes: salsa de soya, limón, un poco de ajo granulado, aceite de olivo y por supuesto los chiles. Y vamos a prender la estufa. Le vamos a poner el aceite. We're gonna put the oil right here. I think that's enough. We don't want to put too much, not too much. We're just gonna leave it for a few seconds that it gets a little warm. And then I'm gonna put the chiles here. So que se caliente un poquito y echamos los chiles. This one is ugly. Este está feo, so lo voy a cortar. Gonna cut this one. Okay, so here they are. We're just gonna leave them for a while like this, maybe like, I would say like 3 to 5 minutes without moving them, because we want them to blister. Los vamos a dejar así unos 3 minutos sin moverlos, porque queremos que se hagan un poquito doraditos y que les salgan como ampulitas. So see, I already moved them. This is what I meant when I say like ampulitas. Es lo que me refería, que están tostaditos. So they are blistering already. Let's just flip them to the other side. And then I'm gonna add the soy sauce, a little bit of garlic, and the lemon. So let's just wait a little bit more. Okay, so they are roasting pretty cool and nice. And now let's go ahead and apply the soy sauce. Ya se están rostizando, so le echamos la salsa de soya. Y es simplemente al gusto. You're just gonna do to the taste, because I don't really have like measurements. But you just do it like that. Let me lower the temperature here. And now I'm gonna cut the lemon. Oh, I already cut it. And I'm gonna add half of the lemon. I think half is enough. This one was pretty juicy. La mitad del limón está bien porque estaba muy jugoso. Okay, and one last thing, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. That was enough. And let's go ahead and mix this. And this is almost ready. I'm just gonna leave them a little bit more. And that's it. Okay, so I just tried one and it seems that it needs more lemon, so I'm gonna add the other half. And I'm gonna add also a little bit more of soy sauce. And I'm gonna leave them here another minute, and that's it. Almost ready. These are so ready. Check this out. Wow, that looks so good. Okay guys, these are super ready. Check this out. And it smells so good. So let's give it a try. This is the perfect appetizer. It's light, it's healthy, and you can eat as many as you want. They're not spicy, no pican, y son súper saludables y puedes comer los que quieras. El mejor aperitivo. Uno que otro pica más bien. Así es que tengan cuidado. Sometimes they're spicy, but not all the time. I love them. You can put lemon on the top too. You can add lemon. And puedes ponerle limón arriba. So eso, ay, perdón. Sorry, I got a chili here. A pepper. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this recipe. Please try it at home. If you do, don't forget to comment. Let me know if you like it. And don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Please subscribe. See you next time.